sexual development between 17 to 24 years of age. For a girl, when she finishes her adolescence, she is entering into the late adolescence and also the marriageable age. 18 years is taken as marriageable age for girls in India. By that time, she will have attained reasonable mental, physical maturity and also reproductive maturity. So she will be able to, her body will be able to handle the pregnancy, childbirth and also the marriage. So in this period, a good sexuality education and also a good premarital counseling will help her to understand what she has to know about the marriage, boy-girl relationship, the sexual relationship, importance of marriage, about the pregnancy, how the conception occurs, what contraception she can use to avoid unwanted pregnancies, and how she has to have a good relationship with the opposite gender to do her roles, and how many children she can have, what are the spacing. All these things can be told to her in this age, depending on her marriageable age. Because nowadays the girls, more and more girls are getting educated, they are taking jobs, standing on their feet and having their own income. So they are becoming independent thinking individuals. So they can take good decisions, they can know what to do with their life and how they have to come up and what the studies or the courses they have to take and how they have to move on in the society. So by the time they finish education, it can be 22 years to 24 years. Later they will be thinking of marriage, most of the girls in the present day. So the marriage age is getting postponed. Their maturity or the puberty is getting earlier. So this is the change which has occurred in the society. So because the marriageable age is increasing and there is early menarche or the early maturity of the body, so they should also know how they have to protect their body whenever there is a boy-woman relationship. This is the time when there is a good attraction with the opposite sex. In some, of course, the same-sex attraction can be there as lesbians, but majority they will have heterosexual attraction, and how they have to handle this. And how they should not just allow their body to be misused by the boys and having high-risk sexual behavior. Definitely it will lead to unwanted pregnancies, abortions, lot of psychological trauma, mental disturbance, and also the problems of illegal abortions. All the things will come up. So if they know the dangers of the sexual experimentation or irresponsible sexual behavior, then they will take care of all those things and have a proper responsible behavior. So this is very important for them at this age because they are finishing their studies, taking up jobs, getting married, what to know, what not to know, because they both boys and girls have to study together, they may go abroad together, they may have education abroad, or they may be working together in some other places. So when they know how to protect their body, how to understand their body, how not to fall prey for sexual abuses, then they can handle themselves very well and also avoid problems for themselves.